Hi, and this is a quick update on Sonic Blocks and a front end to build music with Sonic Pi using Google's Blockly. And I've been working on adding more blocks. I think I covered all of the ones that are in the tutorial on Sonic Pi. So these are the ones that I have now, and I also added some new things like lists and choose here, for example, and variables. So I think it's quite complete. I may be missing some functions from Sonic Pi, but they are really easy to add. And here, let's see what I added. For example, play now has attack, decay, sustain, release. I will have to find a better way to specify parameters because each function has many optional parameters. So adding all of them explicitly here will make really long blocks. I will see how to do that. And so now I hope you can hear it. And what I also added is on the with synth and with effects, I added all the ones that are available. So for example, with piano, I also added the support for chord and scale, and now Play knows how to play chords and scales. And so let's put a scale here. Well, no, a scale will be a mess. And I have play pattern for that. So it will play one after the other, waiting this amount of time. And you can specify, for example, major pentatonic together with pluck, which sounds really Asian. Whoops, there was a bleep there. And so we have chords, we have notes, we have scales, play pattern. We have all the samples also, which are a lot. What else? We have loop with effects, with all the effects available, synth with all the synths. As before, do times and do in parallel. Numbers stays the same, text stays the same. We have lists and we have choose and we have variables. And also a new thing is I created a prototype for a desktop application using Sonic Blocks without changing the front-end UI. So I'm using pyqt to implement a network manager that intercepts the requests to the backend and then translate them to OSC requests. So if you run this, you don't have to run the backend that I implemented. It talks directly with the Sonic Pi backend. This is just a proof of concept. The idea is that to show how it can be added to Sonic Pi, which is the final stage of this project. And the code is not that much. For the most part is simulating a backend and translating the requests to request to the OSC server or loading the local resources. So that's all for now. The project is almost finished. From now on, I will add some more blogs, maybe some more documentation. If you are interested, just visit GitHub Mariano Garra Sonic Blogs or contact me. And okay, let's see how it goes.